Hi, I'm Jen Fidel, here to make your life as a pet parent just a bit easier. Today I'm joined by Teddy, who's so adorable, and we're going to talk about backpacks to carry dogs. Did you know that over 80% of dogs and cats travel on vacation with their parents nowadays? So they're taking plane flights, they're traveling up the coast in boats, and they're also biking and hiking and everything else. So when we think about backpacks to carry dogs, it's not that far-fetched, right? So how do you choose the right one? You need to find a backpack that is really well ventilated. So if you're on a hike, your dog is going to get plenty of fresh air. You want to have a backpack that has room for the dog to stand up, move around, turn around if they'd like to, and have one that has an attachment for your dog's harness. So if your dog decides to go airborne outside of the opened backpack, he will be safe and not run away. Well, if your dog is just not into his backpack, or maybe your dog has never been in a backpack before, try making it a little bit more friendly before you take your first trip. Have your backpack on the ground, throw some treats, throw some toys, leave it open, and let the dog kind of get in and out of it at his leisure. So then by the time you're ready for your trip, he's used to the scent, he's used to the feel and texture of the backpack, and hopefully he'll be much more comfortable. So thanks for watching. I'm Jen Fidel, the Pack Mom, talking about backpacks to carry dogs.